How to choose the perfect website for coding? What are the best websites to learn coding? What type of assessment tool should we use? Well, hello guys, we are EDU CRAVE here to give the solution for that. Here are the top 5 websites to learn coding. The fifth website is Free Codecamp. Talking about this website is for all the people who try to learn coding. But as a special mention, this is one of the best websites to learn web development, as they are providing platform to work on the real-time projects for some non-profit organizations, which will give a bunch of experience to the learners. And talking about the workspace, it is so beginner friendly. The fourth website is Codecademy. Codecademy is the perfect place for aspiring coders to start learning. They provide interactive projects and also they provide hands-on experience, which is very important to learn coding. The activities they provide is making this website as a beginner friendly website. This website is so beginner friendly because of their activities and their challenges that are given, which is very easy to perform. The third website is EDX. This website has links with top educational institutions in the world like MIT and Harvard. You will find recorded video lectures here to teach you. Here you can learn at your own pace. Mostly everything is free in this website, but if you need some verified certifications, you must pay for it. The second website is Hacker Earth. This is not a beginner friendly website when compared to the other websites that we saw. Yet this website has some features that other websites don't have. This website conducts many hackathons. The special feature of this website is that you can see the job vacancies that is available throughout India. So this website is very useful to reach the companies for jobs. The website number 1 is HackerRank. HackerRank is one of the most used websites for coding. This website is built with challenges. You must complete the given challenges in order to attain the next levels. Here, for each challenge you complete, you will be awarded with reward points through which you will be placed in the HackerRank leaderboards. These top 5 websites can be brought under 3 categories. The 4th and 5th website is beginner friendly websites, so I would recommend this if you are a beginner. The 3rd website is for the people who have moderate knowledge in programming. The 1st and 2nd website is little advanced, so I would prefer these websites if you are thorough with the basics.